Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Devyansh on this side, and today we are going to discuss about some of the free resources that are already available on YouTube, on Google, but we are not knowing about it. So what are the free resources from where you can learn and get placed in 2021? So those free resources, we will be discussing about all those free resources. So free resources for placement 2021. This is the topic which we will be discussing for today. Free resources for placement 2021. So most like people do a lot of things on that. What is that free resource? The first resource is YouTube. Now from YouTube, you can get a lot of free resources that are already available, like courses on C++, Java, project making, all those stuffs are already available. So you can just go for that. So from YouTube, what you can go get courses on coding language, then you can get problem solving videos, apti, and interview preparation techniques. And of course, in this interview preparation techniques are already there on our channel too, on Devyansh Ojha channel. So you can just go in the playlist and check placement preparation tips playlist is there. You can check out there, and if you want to just go for a particular company, then there is a playlist of company recruitments where you can just check out that a lot of companies are there. What are the recruitment procedure of that, or what are the recruitment procedure of a company similar to that which you are going to apply. So YouTube is a great resource. The second, I would suggest you should go for Geeks for Geeks, GFG, or you can say Geeks for Geeks. Geeks for Geeks is an awesome platform where you can get a lot of like C++, Java, coding stuffs. Apart from that, competitive programming also you can learn from there, and data structures and algorithms, practicing like code. If you want to practice on coding stuffs, you can just go for that. Apart, like if you want to practice more on coding stuffs, what you can do that there are some like places where you can practice the coding, competitive coding. So those are CodeChef, HackerRank, HackerEarth, and Codeforces, and LeetCode. So these are some of the websites where you can practice the coding stuffs. If you want to practice coding, if you want to do competitive coding, then you can just refer these websites. If you want to learn about any single topic, you can refer GFG or YouTube. These are the most two important places where you can learn. Apart from these, there are more such websites like InterviewBit and Top Coders, and all those types of websites are there. So you can just go for that also. But right now, I would suggest, like you would be remembering some topics I have told you in order to grab any placement in your campus or off campus. So what are the most important topics that you have to refer? For the first one that I have told you before also is the online test. So in online test, you will be getting apti and all those stuff. So that you can get from GFG, YouTube, or you can just refer IndiaBix. IndiaBix website also you can refer to get the online like aptitude or written test first round. Second, I'm just telling about the technical interview. So technical interview experience and all those stuffs you can get on GFG, and apart from that on YouTube. So these are the two platforms where you can get interview experience. So technical interview preparation you can do from YouTube or GFG and from the Devyansh Ojha channel also. Third thing, that is the last one, is one more important thing. The most important round, that is the coding round. Actually, it happens before the like coding interview, but I'm telling it just after that. So for coding round preparation, you have to do the same thing. Practice on these platforms, and apart from that, you can also practice from YouTube and GFG again. And the fourth thing, that is the HR preparation, that you can solely do from GFG itself. What you can do is that just go for a search of previous papers and all those stuffs and get the actual data there. You can just get the actual data, that what are the requirements, what are the things actually the company asks for a particular in a particular company, so you can just go and prepare there. So this is the most important stuff that I have found for you in just 5 minutes. So this is the particular stuff that I found useful for you. So just be connected to the YouTube channel Devyanshu Jha. Do subscribe the channel if you like the video, and just like the video if you like the video. Do subscribe to my channel for further updates, and be happy, stay healthy. Jai Hind.